Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel, Stories and More. Today, we're tackling a mind-blowing question. If we rebuilt the Egyptian pyramids with all our modern tech, how long would it take? And would it cost more than the originals? Buckle up, because the answers are pretty crazy. Before we start, request to the viewers listeners, please subscribe and like my channel Stories and More and share to others. Thank you. Modern muscle versus ancient might. Imagine this. Massive cranes like the freaking Tyson. It can lift 20,000 tons. Laser cutters giving those stones a perfect fit. Construction on steroids, right? But hold on, there are snags. Finding the right quarries near the pyramids would be a pain, and transporting all that rock. Super expensive. The balancing act. Time versus money. Let's talk time frame. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the biggest one, would be a monster project. Just getting the stones, years of quarrying and hauling. Building. Even with fancy cranes, it could take decades, maybe even a whole century. As for cost, it might be less crazy than you think. Sure, fancy equipment ain't cheap, but spread out over the project, it wouldn't be too bad. Plus, skilled labor might be cheaper globally than the massive workforce the pharaohs had back then. The price of the past. But here's the real kicker. Rebuilding wouldn't tell us how they actually built them in the first place. We'd lose the chance to learn from the Og pyramid builders. Think of it like solving a puzzle with all the pieces already put together. Kinda boring, right? So, what's the verdict? Rebuilding the pyramids with modern tech. Totally possible, but it'd be a marathon, not a sprint. The cost might be lower than you think, but the real price might be losing the secrets of the past. Maybe instead, we can use our tech to restore and preserve these amazing structures. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic explorations of history and science. Request to the viewers and listeners, please subscribe and like my channel Stories and More and share to others. Thank you.